Hello, Chef here. Super ripe blueberries. Super sharp turbo knife. Perfectly cut. Hello, Chef here. Once again, I'm going to do another video here. I've got this awesome Porsche Turbo knife, and I'm going to take this plum tomato and do a little carving for you real quickly. So, a lot of things you can do with these tomatoes. I'm just going to do a quick flour here. So first I'm going to start with a cut straight down like this. And then I'm going to go with a cut straight down like this. Okay, you can see a flower taking shape there. I'm gonna open this up just a little bit here. This tip is really sharp. Got to be careful with this knife. Same thing. It's almost surgical. This thing is so sharp. Got to be careful. All right, so then you can see the tomatoes kind of opening up there. I'm going to do another layer like that. And I'm going to just add a couple little more petals down by the bottom. This is a plum tomato, as you know. Great flavor. Of course, it's going to get eaten. I just wanted to show you a quick flour and also just how sharp this turbo knife is. Wow. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Yeah. These are some of the tools I used in the videos. And the turbo knife. Very cool. Score them at your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a great day.